The StartX Remote Start Kit allows you to start your vehicle remotely, providing the convenience of warming or cooling your car before you enter. This remote starter is specifically designed for push-to-start vehicles, ensuring compatibility with models like Corolla from 2014 to 2019 and RAV4 from 2013 to 2018. The installation process is made incredibly simple with the StartX T-harness, which eliminates the need for any wire splicing or cutting by plugging directly into the factory connectors. You can start your vehicle using your existing factory remote by pressing the lock button 3 times, making it highly convenient without requiring additional devices. Manufactured by StartX, a trusted name in the remote start industry in North America, this kit is proudly designed and engineered locally. With technical support agents based in the USA, StartX ensures that you receive comprehensive assistance in English whenever needed.